I know you need to find an M12 lens that doesn't have 155 degrees and inexpensive 7-8 layers inside that DJI has made, and it's impossible to find that M1202 1/3 lens. You can make yourself a hoodie like so out of a cup and go find a street light. For you, it may be sun, and see what angles you can get. Let's see what the sample looks like, and all I can do is laugh. Have a great day. I have a street light above me. I'll do my best to try to get the flare that normally comes in about 10 to 2 o'clock. That looks like the flare right here. I have a little hoodie I made. It's not the perfect hoodie, but I'll do the same thing. I'll go up and down. I don't know if this is a flare or not right here. And this is just say, hey, did it work or not? I'll go back and look at the video and say, hey, yeah, man, those 8-ounce Dixie cups, they do wonders. I'll just laugh at this, that's all I can say. You're never, right there, you're never gonna get that flare away with the hoodie on or off.